Hi everyone, welcome back. I have some interesting information with regards to EV warranties, which I wanted to share with you. First of all, which company has the best warranties? If I look at the Tesla Model 3s, it's not bad. It's about 8 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain and the battery. Ford Lightning is also 8 years, 100,000 miles on the battery, but only 60 months on the powertrain. Chevrolet Bolt is only 60 months on the powertrain. The standard BMW i3 warranty is not great either. It's only 48 months on the powertrain. However, I did want to share some really interesting information from warranty repairs in California Air Resources Board states. And also, just real quickly, this is information only. I am not a representative of BMW, or does this represent any type of legal information or any claims that are available. So use your own discretion on this. So if you're like me, in the back of your mind, you're always worried about some drivetrain or other mechanical failure in the vehicle that is going to be very expensive to repair. I came across this blog post where it shows that someone had a air conditioning compressor fail, and they were able to get it repaired under the California emissions warranty. And I thought it might be worth taking a look and seeing what exactly is covered in the BMW extended California Air Resources Board warranty extensions, and see if it's something that we could take advantage of. So let's take a quicker look at the actual warranty package from, in this case, a 2015 BMW i3. So I'm going to cursor through this real carefully and we'll take a look at what I think are the salient parts that need to be reviewed. So bear with me for just a minute. Let me get through this thing. So the first thing that I wanted to take a look at was here. I highlighted with yellow highlight marker that this certification includes the partial zero emission vehicle warranty in states registered in California and other states. So I'm going to cover specifically the ones related to the California emissions warranty, and we'll go down through there. The other thing that I wanted to take a look at here, it's quite a ways down. It covers all the maintenance activities, which I won't go through. Oh, by the way, there are rental car discounts offered by BMW, so make sure to take advantage of that. And if I keep going down to my next highlighted area, I think it's, oh, here it is. So overview of the BMW limited warranties. So most people are aware of this, that the standard is 4 years, 50,000 miles. And then you get another, I think it's 2 years on top of that with the certified pre-owned vehicles. So rust warranty, 12 years, unlimited miles. High voltage battery, normal is 8 years, 100,000 miles. If you live in California, though, that goes up to 10 years and 150,000 miles. Federal emissions warranty on emission-related parts, normally 2 years, 24,000 miles. Control devices, 8 years, 80,000 miles. And BMW i3 with a range extender under California emissions control warranty, 15 years, 150,000 miles. So I think these two are really the key ones that need to be discussed today. So I also wanted to highlight here that the warrantor is protected against defective materials and workmanship for the first retail purchaser and each subsequent purchaser, and it begins on the date of the first retail sale or a vehicle being placed into service. So those are the key dates. And keep going down here to the next item of importance. Should be highlighted. Okay, so here we go. So California Emissions Control Warranty Statement for PZVE is California Resources Board and BMW of North America are pleased to explain the emission control system warranty on your 2015 vehicle. And for California, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, or Vermont, 15 years, 150,000 miles, whichever occurs first. with the exception of the high voltage battery, which is 10 years or 150,000 miles. So that's really darn good warranty for these vehicles. And I think it's something that people don't think about in detail. Of course, it covers for anything that fails the smog check inspection and all necessary repairs, which I think people kind of know about. But also, any emission-related part on your vehicle that is defective will be repaired and replaced. So that is your defect warranty. So the question now is, what is covered in that warranty? Because it says those parts are the original purchaser is, and each subsequent owner of that vehicle is warrants that the vehicle is free from defects in materials and workmanship and emission-related parts for a period of 15 years or 150,000 miles, whichever occurs first. And if we go down and look at that list here on page 28, so here's the following components are covered on the applicable vehicles for defects in the emission control system limited warranty for a period of 15 years or 150,000 miles. So sure enough, if you take a look at this, I think people are aware that the APU is in there for the range extender. But battery management electronics, DSC control equipment, the EDME motor control unit, the air conditioner compressor, which is the item that everybody seems to be complaining about, worrying about excessive costs for replacement, is covered. The EME is covered. The evaporation canister charcoal filter is covered. Radiator hosing and fans, feed lines, fuel tanks. RDME, the Rex electronics control units, REME, range extender control unit, that's sort of generators, temperature sensors, the actual traction motor. So a lot of the really high cost components appear to actually indeed be covered by the warranty for 15 years or 150,000 miles, which is really an extreme warranty. So we're going to go verify that with the dealership here locally just to make sure that's the case. And again, battery 10 years or 150,000 miles, which is pretty darn good as well. So little comments, number 2 here is this applies to these states that follow the CARB rules in particular. So that's what the actual warranty says. So the comment made by the blogger online that he did get his compressor replaced under warranty looks like it might be legitimate based on this, and we'll again already confirm that with our local dealer to see if that can be confirmed. So I did go down and talk with my local dealer with regards to what type of warranty service is available, and they referred me to go back to BMW North America, and BMW NA gave me this letter back after my inquiry. It basically says to continue working with your authorized BMW center to further discuss your warranty inquiry, or contact service managers directly if necessary, and give you these web links for further information with the centers and also with the current warranty information per your vehicle. So the takeaway is, if you have a i3 Rex in a CARB state, which could be California or the other ones that are on the list, the warranty coverage is actually quite excellent and looks like maybe the best in the industry, with 150,000 miles or 15 years and most of the major components, including the AC compressor, and battery even 150,000 miles or 10 years, which is also one of the best that I've come across. So not a bad deal. However, I think the caveat is you really need to work with your dealerships and be really progressive and put your foot down on taking advantage of this warranty and making sure that you're not getting the runaround with this warranty that's available. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please subscribe and like the channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.